Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you, and today I want to give you a little update on the Amazon Seller Pro course. I want to start by saying sorry for the wait, guys. I was said to have released this around April 20th, around last Friday, and for everyone that's been anticipating the release of this course to help you guys start to sell on Amazon, I'm kind of deeply trying to apologize because I came out here to Cancun, Mexico with some of my friends, and I was going to upload all the videos that I had finished to teachable.com, and the Wi-Fi is just pretty horrendous out here. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys, because I have literally every video. I have every video in the course right here. There's 63 videos, everything from setting up your business to taxes to the mindset to different marketplaces to sell in, bundling. I mean, just everything that you could possibly want and everything that I've come across and learned in multiple other Amazon courses as well as my own experience. I have every bit of information on how to negotiate with suppliers and just all the little tips and tricks that I've ever learned. And someone asked me in my last video, Luke, how are you able to even make an Amazon course if you've not even been selling that long and all that? And the reason I want to tell you guys is literally just because I've immersed myself so much into it. This is not just like a hobby for me. This is something that in the beginning, I mean, I kind of treated it like a hobby to the point where I became obsessed with it. And that's something that I really recommend anyone looking to get into this business becomes. You need to be a little bit obsessed. This is what I just literally started talking about all the time. And it's something now that I'm able to really reflect on because having helped so many other people through YouTube and seeing all these common problems, now I'm able to help people out, and it makes things a lot easier for me to now feel like I'm confident in the fact that I can teach everyone. And you can see here on teachable.com, I was only able to upload up to my second module, and the problem is the Wi-Fi here is just really slow, and Teachable takes a long time for my videos to upload. Even uploading 30 minutes of like 4 videos took like 5 hours. So it's taken a long time, but I'm out here in Mexico. I'm gonna keep trying to upload the course, and when I ever get any more progress on that, I'm gonna let you guys know definitely when I release it as soon as I can. For everyone that's been waiting on the email list, for those of you guys that don't know, I've had my email link down below, and anyone that sent me an email with just their name, I'm giving them $100 off on the course. And this is all gonna cover, anyone that does that as well is gonna get a 1-hour phone consultation call with me. So after they finish the course, they can ask me all their questions that they did have when they took the course, and I'll just literally be there personally walking them through the course. And that's pretty much something that I'm really excited about doing because so many other people that are coming out with Amazon courses don't take the time to really see who's actually taking their course. They just want to make all that money. And that's one of the selling points for me, guys, is because I have a smaller YouTube channel. I'm not like Tanner J. Fox and these other guys that Tanner's course, like his course has 33 videos and mine has like 63, 64 videos, something like that. So I put a lot of time into this, and Tanner, kind of his replies to his people when they would ask him questions is a 1 or 2 word response. I know that makes sense because he's got over 4,000 people that have taken his course, but if you guys are looking for more of a kind of one-on-one help kind of thing, that's what I'm gonna be there for you guys until maybe my YouTube channel explodes. But that's not likely to happen right away. So those of you guys that jump on this course in the beginning are gonna get some really nice one-on-one help with me, and I'm gonna try and really work my tail off to get you guys selling really well on Amazon so that you can maybe kind of tell people, hey, Luke W helped me out selling on Amazon, and now we're doing business. So I got all those videos. I'm so excited to bring it to you guys. I'm out here in Cancun, and yeah, I should be coming back here on the 30th, or actually the 29th of April, and I'll take you guys outside just to get a look at this place real quick. Don't mind the construction, but we got some construction down here. Yeah, so I mean, this is something that, a lot of my friends had to take off work from their 9 to 5. And I mean, one of my friends, he works from his computer for Microsoft, and he's here with us, but he's down there like on Skype calls and stuff. But it's not as fun as the Skype calls I do when I'm doing consultation calls with you guys. Like, I can relate to so much to you guys, and it's not like we're doing it for some big business entity or some corporation. We're in business for ourselves out here, but it's not really that we're working alone. We have a whole group of people doing the same exact thing. And I'm excited because once I get my course going, there's going to be a Facebook group for anyone, and it's going to be exclusive to those who have bought the course. So I'll be releasing other kind of exclusive information in there as time goes on, any kind of updates that ever happen on the Amazon Seller Central platform, or any terms of service happen. I'll be sharing that with you guys right there. And of course, I'll always have my YouTube going, my live streams, and it's gonna be great, guys. So it's just crazy to see, like, a lot of my friends, they have to take time off of their work, and they literally have maybe 2 weeks vacation a year. And me coming out here, I'm thinking I can work from my phone and computer and be making Amazon sales around the world and reaching out to people around the world as well to see how their business is doing and helping them out. So if you guys were even ever interested in coaching calls and things like that, I'm always down for that kind of stuff, guys. But I mean, as we can see, got the laptop, and I'm not even, like, we got so many videos, guys. I'm not sure if I can get a good view of that for you, but we got 6 different modules in the course. Everything about your Amazon LLC. In a previous course I took, they barely covered that. I got a lot of information on there. A sweet website and place where you can actually name your business that gives you a domain name. Like, because when you start a business or a brand name or a logo on your product, you want to have a name that's never been taken before, so that you can actually go brand yourself out and build that Facebook page, that Facebook group around your product, and drive more sales and traffic from external places like Instagram to your Amazon page, because Amazon loves getting that external traffic. They're going to move you further up in the pages when you do that kind of stuff. And this is everything that I'm covering in the course, guys. So everything that I've ever learned is all in there. I've been said to have been able to help others more than I can help myself. And this is one of the courses where I literally put every bit of information I know into that one place. And some of the things I have in there, I haven't even necessarily done myself, but I know it's stuff that's already helped people out, because I've met people like Matt Loberstein, who's a multi-million-dollar a year Amazon seller. I've met him in person. I've had Skype calls with this guy. I know what works for these people. And the fact that I've kind of spent a lot of time on YouTube and doing other things associated with growing the base of my business, I haven't been able to maybe fully thrown everything right into Amazon FBA itself, but this is all going to be coming in due time. I'm in no hurry. It's a journey. It's not a race. And all the information's here, guys. So I got everything on, like, ordering samples. Like, personally, I haven't even ordered a sample before, because I like to kind of get on the phone with my supplier, see what the product looks like in person, and start with a product that's not even that crazy, and I mean, not too much of movable parts and breakable items, so I know what the product is before I get it. And that's one reason I haven't got samples. But I've heard of people having samples that they got from multiple suppliers, and then they pick the best sample out of the bunch. And I don't know, I just included a lot of different things in there in this course, and everything on making your ebooks, getting that free kind of bundled item and stuff that you don't even have to pay for, but you can add all that extra value to your product. So it's all going to be there, guys. If you do want to start selling on Amazon, there's no better time. There's all these new marketplaces starting. The Australian market just opened, and products that are really competitive in the United States, you can go ahead and literally probably go sell these in these other marketplaces that are just emerging. And if you get to the first page and start being one of the first sellers of these hot products, you're going to be cranking out sales like no other. And for you guys that know my buddy Clint, he's only got 55 or something subscribers on YouTube, but the guy's making $10,000 a week in Amazon, and he started in January. So just a couple months later, this guy went balls to the wall and he's making a crazy amount of money. So he's reinvesting everything in his business and just scaling it up and growing. And I was gonna do a live stream interview with him and kind of get some of his personal tips to share with you guys in that live stream, but he was out in Houston, Texas, and on a vacation or a business trip, and he didn't have good Wi-Fi, so we tried to do that before I left on my trip, but now I'm out here and I don't have good Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna try and do my best to get this course to you guys. If you still wanna do it, go ahead and send me that email and I'll get you $100 off. So it's literally just $300 for this course. And it does sound like a significant amount of money, but considering this thing could literally like change your life and you're investing in yourself, it's a small price to pay to really learn something like a skill. Nowadays, you can't just go to college, get a degree, and have that piece of paper. You actually need some substance and skill to yourself, and that's something that's gonna help you go far in life. So I wanna get you started with skills, get going with these online businesses, because this is the way the future's going, guys. This is all I wanna bring to you. I might bring some other videos coming soon. Maybe if you wanna see more clips of kind of where I'm at and get some more inspiration and motivation so you can get this online job and start traveling the world. I mean, this is a beautiful place, guys, and the world is our oyster. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. It's beautiful, man. Got our friends down by the pool. Some ladies down by the pool. Cancun, baby. So yeah, this is all I want to bring you guys. I hope this kind of maybe gave you some little motivation anyway, and let you know that this is an opportunity if you haven't decided to do any of this. I really have been one to, I graduated with a degree in broadcast journalism, and I've always been one to kind of try and explain everything I can in depth, and that's what I went for in this course. I didn't skimp out on any information, and I just did the best I possibly could. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Oh, what's up, Iris?
Hi, Joel said I could borrow.
Peace out.